Month-end financial troubles are a widespread issue in personal finance, affecting millions of individuals and families worldwide. As the month comes to a close, many people find themselves scrambling to cover bills, pay off debts, and manage daily expenses. This recurring problem often leads to stress, anxiety, and even feelings of helplessness. Understanding the root causes of these financial struggles and implementing practical solutions can help alleviate the pressure and create a more stable financial future. One of the main reasons for month-end financial strain is poor cash flow management. For those living paycheck to paycheck, even a small miscalculation in spending can have significant consequences. Additionally, the timing of bill payments often clusters around the same period, creating a heavy financial burden. Rent or mortgage payments, credit card bills, and loan installments are typically due at the end or beginning of the month, making it challenging to balance all obligations. Unexpected expenses are another major contributor to month-end financial troubles. Life is unpredictable, and emergencies like car repairs, medical bills, or home maintenance can arise at any time. Without an emergency fund or savings buffer, these unexpected costs can derail even the most carefully planned budget. To address month-end financial challenges, proactive planning and disciplined financial habits are crucial. The first step is to create a realistic budget that accounts for all sources of income and expenses. Tracking spending throughout the month can help identify areas where cuts can be made. Prioritizing needs over wants is essential. Building an emergency fund is another critical strategy. Even setting aside a small amount each month can provide a safety net for unexpected expenses, reducing the need to rely on credit or loans. Automating savings at the start of the month is helpful. Additionally, reviewing and negotiating recurring expenses can free up extra cash. For example, switching to a cheaper phone plan, refinancing high-interest debt, or canceling unused subscriptions can make a significant difference over time. For those with irregular income, such as freelancers or gig workers, creating a variable budget that adjusts to monthly earnings can help smooth out financial fluctuations. Finally, seeking professional advice or using financial tools and apps can provide additional support. Financial advisors can offer personalized strategies for managing debt, saving, and investing, while budgeting apps can help track spending and set financial goals in real time. In conclusion, month-end financial troubles are a common but manageable challenge. By understanding the causes, adopting proactive financial habits, and planning ahead, individuals can reduce stress, avoid debt, and build a more secure financial foundation. Taking small, consistent steps toward financial discipline can lead to long-term stability and peace of mind.